Here are two empty polystyrene cups A and B. Measure the mass of each cup with an electronic balance. Then, half fill cup A with cold water and cup B with hot water. Measure the mass of the two cups again. Calculate the mass of water in each cup. Then measure the temperature of the water in each cup. Then quickly pour the cold water into the hot water. Stir the mixture. Measure the temperature of the mixture. Calculate the energy gained by the cold water and the energy lost by the hot water. Are the two results exactly the same? Why?